Alright, we're going to shoot the barrel first and then the wash machine. Hold on. Just shoot a couple times if you have to. Damn it, I missed it! Alright, this is take number 2. The first one didn't blow up big enough. This is more Tannerite. Alright, it didn't do a whole lot of damage, but that was just 1.5 pounds. If we probably would have had about 3 or 4 pounds, it probably would have incinerated it. I don't know what that is. I guess a microwave. There ain't a whole lot left. There ain't nothing left of the inside. But the barrel that we shot earlier it is no more. There's nothing left. There's some on top of that dam over there. There's a little piece right here. There's some on the other side of the railroad tracks over there. Yeah, I think it landed in the tree over there. But I don't see anything else around here. I think that other one worked better because that barrel was upside down. But this one we just gutted the inside. And that brick was whole. There's a brick there. I don't know if you can see that. I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there ain't nothing left of the inside of that thing. It still keeps cracking and popping and making noise. But hopefully we got that good on the GoPro. It's pretty close. The big camera, it didn't zoom in far enough. We got some pretty cool shots though. But what you gotta say, Dylan?
Well, what I gotta say is my camera is far better than yours.
Yeah, but
I just need to tell a photo lens.
Yeah.
Anyway,
What do you gotta say about the explosion?
It was a pretty big one. I liked it. There's just still cracking and popping in there, and
Yeah.
I don't know what the audio is gonna be like.
See the barrel sitting on top of the pond dam? There's a barrel sitting on top of that pond dam over there, and I think there's part of it.
That away.
Yeah. Did you get that?
Snapchat.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that damn that ring rolled almost all the way past my pickup out there.
Look at that cute little leg.
What?
Got that little.
Look. Oh, red Mexican over there.
Are you sure you weren't injured when you say no cows were injured?
But yeah, that pickup's about 75, maybe 80 yards away, and we're supposed to be 100 yards, but I didn't think it'd be that big of an explosion that you need to be that far back. I mean, maybe we was doing 5 pounds, you'd need to be way the fuck back there, like 100, 150 yards, but this 1.5 pound, 2 pound explosions, which that sonic boom was the first one. It was inside in the barrel, and he spilt most of it out, and it still had a bigger explosion than that 1 pound of Tannerite that I shot. That 1.5 pound of Tannerite that I shot, it was a little bigger explosion, but it wasn't nothing like what I thought it was gonna be. Alrighty.
Sonic Boom was better. The cheaper shit was better.
Yeah, and there was only like a quarter of it left after you spilt it all.
Yeah. Hey, there's still some in here, right?
Yeah. I think the dishwasher or the wash machine was the bad thing to blow up. We should have blew the microwave up. I think that would have been cooler.
Hey, there's still a good belt on that washing machine.
2 of them.
Is it 2 of them? Oh hell, what the hell's this other thing work?
Alright, we'll see y'all in the next one.